This video tutorial I will cover isLenient and isWeekDateSupport method of calendar class. Here I have defined a class calendar demo. Here I have created a calendar object. Then I am calling isLenient method of calendar object. This method returns true if the interpretation mode of this calendar is lenient, else it will return false. We got true. Then I am calling isWeekDateSupported method of calendar object. This method returns true if calendar supports week dates, else it will return false. We got true.